I'm Lulu Dostansky. I run the IoT organization within AVNET globally. We are a $18 billion technology distributor, and we're here at IoT Asia to learn about the Asian market and how we further penetrate IoT here. I think the ecosystem is in trouble right now because customers aren't going to take the risk today to put the whole solution together. So we've got to organize ourselves so that we can understand where we play, and we need one person in all situations to coordinate on behalf of the customer, so the customer doesn't take the risk. So what we have to do, we have to get together, coordinate, and reduce the risk for the customer of implementation. I think IoT is not yet mainstream, so that question's yet to be answered. Long term, I'm not sure it really impacts the life cycle of the products. I think IoT is more about the application of the technology that currently exists, and once you execute on a particular IoT strategy in an implementation, that implementation will last for years. As new technology comes around, the solutions will be quicker, better, faster, cheaper, less power, more powerful, and that's a good thing. I think for the 1 to 2 years, you'll see the ecosystem collaborating more and trying to reduce more of the risk for the customers. Customers are not going to deploy IoT because they don't understand the technology from the OT side or the operational technology to the IT or information technology. We've got to do that for us, so I think you'll see a better collaboration amongst the ecosystem partners, and you'll see people develop as leaders, as solution providers versus aggregators. I think the next big thing in IoT is going to be proliferation of various use cases. Right now, when people come, they're working on a one by one by one. We've got to create templates where we can scale by having some basic building blocks so that we don't have to start from scratch for every customer. So I think you'll see the offering by solution providers become a little bit more solid so that they can give the customer a head start in the implementation. So faster implementation is what I see over the next 1 to 2 years. I think IoT Asia is good for the community because it's such a fast-paced market that people have a whole lot more capabilities than they had this time last year. So it allows the market to keep pace with what AVNET is doing and how we're advancing, and it lets us to see how potential partners have advanced so that we might all get together and put together solutions for the community in IoT. I definitely will be back. I love Singapore anyway, so you don't have to ask me once or twice. I'm here whenever I can figure out how to get here.